Good morning, students. In 6th standard, in last period, we complete our 7th chapter. 7th chapter name is Introduction to Algebra. In this period, we start 8th chapter, Ratio and Proportion. We start our 8th chapter. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion. Ratio and proportion. First we see point ratio. First point is ratio. In our daily life, we oftenly required to compare quantities in the form of their mass, number and measurement. In our daily life, we oftenly required to compare quantities. We have to compare quantities in the form of their mass, number, measurement. To understand better, take an example. Suppose Rohit is 10 years old and his mother is 40 years of age. We can compare the age of Rohit and his mother either in two ways. We have given one example. Age of Rohit is equal to 10 years. And age of Rohit's mother is 40 years. Then we compare this. We can compare age of Rohit and his mother either in two ways. First one is comparison by finding difference, and second one is comparison by division. First one is comparison by finding difference. Comparison by finding difference. Then age of Rohit is 10 years, age of mother is, then mother older by is equal to, we have give difference, 40 minus 10 is equal to 30 years. 30 years mother older than Rohit. That is, mother is 30 years older than Rohit. Mother is 13 years older than Rohit. Second one is comparison by division. Second one method is comparison by division. Comparison by division. Comparison by division. Then we have given age of mother divided by age of Rohit is equal to 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. We can say that mother's age is 4 times age of Rohit. We can, in this proportion, we can say that mother's age is 4 times age of Rohit. We have to compare these two ages. First method is comparison by finding difference, and second method is comparison by division. We observe that division method is very lucid and gives better sense. We observe that the division method is very lucid and gives better sense. The comparison between the amounts of two quantities of the same kind is called a ratio. Ratio means the comparison between the amounts of two quantities. The comparison between amounts of two quantities of the same kind is called a ratio. The comparison between the amounts of two quantities of the same kind is called a ratio. Next one is explanatory example. First example is explanatory examples. First example is the students of class 6th are going to picnic if out of 60 students number of girls students is 28. Number of girls student is 28. Then we have given some questions. Find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. First question is find ratio of number of boys to number of girls. And ratio of number of boys to number of girls. One by one We solve the examples. Then total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 60. Number of girl is equal to 28. Then number of boys students is equal to number of boys. We have subtract total student minus number of girls. We get 32 boys students. Then first we have to find the ratio of number of boys to number of girls. First one is ratio of number of boys to number of girls. Is equal to 32 divided by number of boys is 32 and number of girls is 28. Ratio is 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. 8 upon 7 ratio is 8 upon 7 or 8 to 7. 8 divided by 7 or 8 to 7. Second one is second, we have to find second ratio. Ratio of number of girls to number of boys. We have given to find ratio of number of girls to number of boys. Number of girls is 28 and number of boys is 32. Then 7 upon 8 or 7 to 8. 7 upon 8 or 7 to 8. Third one ratio is ratio of number of boys to number of students, number of total students. Number of boys is 32 and total student is 60. Then ratio is 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 8 upon 15 or 8 to 15. This is ratio. Fourth one ratio is number of girls to total number of students. Total ratio is ratio of number of girls to total students. This is number of girls is 28 divided by 60 is equal to 4 7s are 28, 4 15s are 60. 7 divided by 15. This is second example. Then third example is this is first example. Second example is find ratio of following. Find ratio of following. First one is 2 hours to 2 days. First one is 2 hours to 2 days is equal to, we have to find ratio of 2 hours 2 days. 2 hours divided by 2 days is equal to 2 hours. Then one day gives 24 hours. Then 2 days gives 48 hours is equal to 1 divided by 24 or 1 to 24. Next, the second ratio is 5 days to 5 weeks is equal to 5 days divided by 5 weeks. In 5 days as it is. 5 weeks means 1 week contains 7. 1 week contains 7 days. Then 5 weeks contains 7 5s are 35 days. Is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. Is equal to, ratio is 1 to 7. Third one is 10 minutes to 2 hours. To 2 hours. 10 minutes to 2 hours. 10 minutes divided by 2 hours. 10 minutes as it is. In 1 hour contains 16 minutes. 60 minutes. Then 2 hour contains 120 minutes. 120 minutes. 0 0 gets cancelled. Ratio is 1 upon 12 or 1 to 12. Fourth one ratio is 50 gram divided by 2 kg. 50 gram as it is. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Then 2 kg is equal to 2000 gram. Then 0 0 get cancel. 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20, 5 0 are 0. We get 1 upon 40 or 1 to 40. Next ratio is 5 meter divided by 3 kilometer. In similar way, we converting two ratios in meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 0 are 0, 5 0 are 0. Ratio is 1 upon 600 or 1 to 600. And last one is 10 paise divided by rupees 3. We have converted them into paise. 10 paise is equal to 1 paise is equal to 100. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then rupees 3 is 300 paise. 0 0 gets cancelled. 1 to 30 is given ratio. This is ratio. Explanatory examples for ratio. Next one is reducing the ratios in their lowest form. We will see in next period. Okay, thank you.